Alright. Hit the stop button by accident. This is a Japanese maple that we have had for a while. Come around here. I did all this pressure treated little thing here. We got a couple things sitting on that. Some of the stuff's been put away because we're not staying, obviously, but pretty nice view. Right there, all those flowers are pink. They just went away for the season, but this little, like an ox goad thing. It's one of those sleds they pull with oxes back in the day. I saved that for like 2 years. I got it for free. Just made that little flower bed, and then some apple trees in other people's backyard, but we have the view of it, so it's kind of nice. And then this is our yard right here. It's nice for the dogs to go down there and just hang out. I'll just show you inside. The garage is a mess, but it's basically just the same old thing. Garage, like normal. Oh yeah, full of junk, and some stuff that we're keeping, but and all my tools. We got a basketball hoop in here. TV set up so I could watch TV while I was like working on stuff. But it's just a lot of stuff to take care of. All this I did, all that woodworking I did, painted all that. Little robin up there that drives me nuts every time I'm leaving my house. Squawks at me like I don't live here. No, there it is. And there you go. And then this is the kitchen, obviously. Those are all the cabinets that I made. It's all pumpkin pine. Some of it's like, those up and down things aren't. Those are from a mission desk that I saved. And all the trim in here I did. The flooring I did. That pipe stuff the lady bought on Amazon, and I made all this shelving. That shelf is just like hovering off the wall, so you can like put stuff underneath. And then I did all that trim. Picture of Jesus on the water. I don't know if anybody's ever seen all this, but nice view of the backyard from the refrigerator room. I just installed that microwave because we haven't used it since we've lived here because we don't use microwaves. But they're still in the house, so I had to. That thing was just like a crappy corner cabinet, and then I designed this. Something I found on the side of the road. And then this is like what's left of our furniture for now because we're moving pretty soon. I did that whole fireplace. It's just a mock fireplace, but that's like a free wood stove I got on Craigslist a while back. We used that all winter to heat the house. Did all the flooring in this bathroom. Just finished that vanity. That was all not fixed for a long time because the electrician never came over to finish that. And I put that up because the sun shines through and you can't see anything. Little closet over there. This is one of the bedrooms. It's empty because we moved everything out of it already. Pretty nice view of the pond though from here. And then this bathroom was gutted totally like recently, and I redid the whole thing. I took the hardware off and made like use old cabinet hardware on these big giant knobs. And then there's like a little spot around the corner to put stuff, shelving and whatnot. I just never put any shelving in there. And then a step up shower. That's like some pumpkin pine. It doesn't look big in the camera, but this is actually a pretty big sized piece. And then that looks over onto the yard. Never got a chance to show you guys all this, so I figured I'd do it now. Room's kind of not too messy, but there's a closet in there, like it's totally packed with all of our clothes and crap. And then this isn't a long bonus room where you can keep like all of your like storage basically. You could have a kid's bedroom in here too probably if they were small enough. Like I can step in here, but I made that custom step. An entryway like right there. Pretty long house actually. I started redoing this room. I did like half of it and I just ran out of time. But that's pretty much it, except the back room where the dogs are, which is a pretty cool room. Show you guys that and let the dogs out. But yeah, it's just normal little store. We had like storage over there before we got rid of it. Alright, this I got from, this is scrap from a hotel that I renovated. So is that trim right there and that over there. This is where you might have seen this wall. This is where the marker board was that I did some of my presentations from. And some of my hiking stick curtain rods. Looks out to the front deck. This is a computer room / dog room. Gunny wants to go outside. Hi, Shay. Shay, you want to go up? Come on. Come on, Shay. All right, come on. Come on, let's go potty. Come on. Go ahead. You want to go outside, Gunny? Come on. Good boy. Good boy. All right, go ahead. Easy. Easy. All right. So that's pretty much it. In here was all set up nice and stuff, but this is just all of our packed stuff that we have left. And boxes and whatnot. It's like an old kitchen island I renovated that was in my last apartment. That door I got for free. This is an old garbage door that was here, so I got that. It was like a giant window / door I hung up right there. Get some light in here. This room was all garbage. That's from scrap from a hotel that I put over that beam. Painted this whole room. We used to have like a TV right there with surround sound and everything set up. Watch TV back here sometimes. But yeah, pretty much it. These cabinets we got, those wall cabinets we got from the Tennis Pro that I was telling you about. And I put them all along there too. So I have something to kick instead of kicking the wall. It scuffs the wall up. But yeah, me and Jackie's wedding picture about 15 years ago. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the tour of my house, guys. God bless and have a great day.